Hi friends, if you are in plan for organizing an event or featuring some events or planning to promote the events that is already scheduled and willing to make a wonderful website with booking facility and all such facility that you need for event promotion, this video is for you. In this video we are going to create a very suitable and to the point website for event management, and we are going to use a very popular and perfect WordPress theme called EM4U, and it is events WordPress theme for booking tickets. So it has all the features that you need for event management. Event tickets WordPress theme is a responsive modern template for event ticket, event theme, conference, event agency, meetups, webinars, business, marketing, ads, music event and sport event, and any type of concert you can say. And you can manage multiple events without lots of efforts and create event landing pages of event, or event one page is suitable for your purpose. And this theme is, as I said, EM4U, and it has been developed by the OVA themes. OVA themes are elite author, and we have already featured some wonderful themes made by OVA themes on this channel only, and they actually make very wonderful WordPress themes. The theme came into existence in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. And if we talk about the demo website, it has multiple demo website available with this, and you can choose any of the available demo website in form of countdown, event registration, and event basics, company events, and search modes, manual basics, countdown, and there are many options. So you can choose any of these available websites, and these are some websites that has been used EM4U WordPress theme. And okay, so these are some websites. So in this video we are going to overview this theme completely to understand its features and functionality, so that you may take a wise decision about this theme. We are going to install this theme. We will create a demo website and overview the theme options. So for this I have this fresh installation of WordPress with me, which is running a 2022 WordPress theme by default on the latest version of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have already taken the domain name and the hosting, and if not, you may follow the link given in the description of WP Themes website, and you can get each and everything that is theme, domain, and the hosting that you need for your website, and you can start quickly your website. So I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have changelog, demo import files are here, documentation, licensing, plugins. So there are many plugins that has been given in the theme pack. The main theme file and the child theme file is also here. So we are going to use this main theme file em4u.zip for this installation. To install the theme we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress. Okay, so it is offline. No, it is not. So let me check how it is coming, and we can. So I'm not hiding anything in my videos, and this is why everything is on this screen itself. Okay, now it is online. So there was some problem in my internet, and okay, so this is fresh installation as I said, and I got the theme pack. Let us upload the theme pack first of all. To upload the theme directly to the server, we can use the FTP or the control panel, and I am uploading the theme directly to WP content themes folder, and I will choose the em4u.zip file for uploading, and the theme file size is 32.38 MB. So this is why I'm uploading directly on server, so it is a bit higher. On an average the theme file size remains 15 MB, but yes, okay, it is fine, not a problem. And we have uploaded the theme. Let us extract it, and the extraction brought this because this is waste file, and this is the theme folder that we got in the extraction. And let us delete the zip one we have already extracted. And coming back to the themes screen, we have now EM4U as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is EM4U version 1.5.5. As on date, this is being the latest version with me. When you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version of theme, depends on availability. Okay, so it is by OVA theme and it is created by OVA theme, of course. And let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins, and in order to get the complete features we need to install plugins. So these are 15 plugins, and Woocommerce is well supported by this theme. So some plugins has been directly developed by the theme developer, that is OVA themes, like OVA theme login register or mega menu or Advanced Pro or Events Manager, and one-click demo import is here for importing the demo content. Again, some plugins like OVA Events Manager, Stripe Payment Gateway. It is very good, so we can collect payment directly through the Stripe Payment Gateway, and Stripe Payment Gateway works in almost in every country. Even in India it is working very good, so I will rather advise you to go directly for Stripe Payment Gateway. It is very easy to configure and it is already integrated in this theme, so it is very good choice by the theme developer. And Portoflio is here, contact form 7 always remains, and MailChimp for WP is also here. So we are going to install these 15 plugins, and I am choosing to install plugins in one go, and I'm confident about my server, so I have chosen to install all themes in one go. And you can also avail the same server by following the link given in the description through WP Themes website, and all 15 plugins got installed within seconds. This is the beauty of hosting plan. And now this is time to activate all the installed plugin, and this also can be done in a single click. Okay, so all plugins has been installed and activated successfully. Simply click on the dashboard, and this is time when we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. Okay, it is good and it is very clean. As of now it don't have any content, and for making a website like this we have to import the demo content at our website. Let us make this target website, and for this we need to import the demo content, and I will find the option under appearance tab. I have this import demo data option, and I'll find this. Okay, so this is the option, and we can simply click import demo data, and on the next screen there are some more plugins. We don't need these plugins. Simply continue and import, and in just 2 minutes I got this complete message, and it is saying congrats, your demo was imported successfully, and now you can begin editing your site. So we can check our website how it looks now, and I'm just refreshing this page. Okay, so this is wonderful, and we got this complete website without any trouble, without any. Okay, so this is really good, and all the search features are here, and I believe all home pages are also here. So categories are here, and it is complete in all respects, of course. And we can configure these criteria for showcasing our events. I'll show you what we got in this import, and we got 44 pages, and we have this contact and multiple home pages as well. So all the home pages are here. You can simply select any of these home pages and all will be readily available. Okay, so it is really good. And let us see another one. This is also good, and this is the third one. So everything is fine, and we got the complete website with all home pages with this installation, and we can go further for customizing the credentials. Like event manager is the main part of this theme, because this is basically an event management WordPress theme, and you can simply add new event or edit the existing one. What I'll suggest to just edit the events that is already existing here, and delete those events that you are not going to use, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine. It is very important. So I'll show you the fields. So these are the fields for events and all, and you can fill these parameters, there are multiple options like basic, schedule, gallery, sponsor, organizer, ticket, FAQs, contact, sidebar. Okay, so it is really complete. And you can also offer coupons, all orders, tickets, location, and all such things. So related to event management, everything is here. And next it is posts only, and next we can see portfolio is also additional thing. So I'll show you if there is anything here. So portfolio is not being used directly at the website, so event is the main part of this theme, and I believe this is going to be the complete thing that you need for your website. And you can simply edit the rest of information under customize option, because there is no any theme panel option. So I believe everything is here. Site identity is here, typography and colors and all can be set. Header, so global header, and we can select the header options, header desktop, header mobile. Okay, so it is good. Footer global, and so all settings, login, register, menu setting, and layout global, homepage settings, and all such things are here. So these are the complete things, and you can export these things and customize your website, of course, and I don't need to show you each and everything. So user management is also here, just in case if you are offering the registration, you can handle all these things, and I will see if there is anything else. So it is now fine, and I'm sure you will be able to make a wonderful event management website using EM4U WordPress theme. So let us meet in our another video, and if you are having any question regarding this theme, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch directly with me by following the link given in the description. So let us create a website, and I will come in the next video with next wonderful WordPress resource. Thanks for watching.